The front end of this lauter is running a little bit slower, which I don't mind. I usually like to do a barrel every 5 minutes. I'm a little slow on that, but that's okay. I feel like I can speed that up later. Once that grain bed is really nice and set and I'm getting good flow throughout the entirety of it, yeah, we're moving all right. We're looking good. We're looking good. Do you know where you are? Welcome to Sparge City. I should get my coffee. Josh says when I deep sigh a bunch, that means I need to eat something. But what does Josh know? Josh doesn't know me. Actually, he really does. I think he might love me. I love Josh, so, I mean, what's the big deal? Rinse those grains, son. If my sons turned out to be like Josh, I would be happy. He's a good man. We're getting close to our next 15-minute step here. And we're doing all right. We're catching up. Looks pretty good. Rinsing the grain. All right, what else we got to do today, man? We'll knock out some kegs. Where are we at with the cooler? Is the cooler pretty good? Okay. We can check that diacetyl test. I might run out and grab that real quick. Excuse me. We can get some more acid in this thing. Yeah, so that passed diacetyl. We can get it bunged up, drop the bottom of it, crash it. Freak beat. It did. Yeah. So we can bung that and pressure it today. And we'll drop the bottom, just whatever's down there. Just the thick stuff, you know. We don't got to push it. 5-7, we are moving along just great. I would normally shoot for 6 barrels, but we are at 5.7 barrels, which works for me. Where's our Sparge water at? 122. Means I need my next portion in here. All right, cool. And what else? There was something else I was going to tell you. Can't remember what right now. Anyhow, I'm just going to rock this Sparge out. We're going to keep doing our thing. I'll catch you up here on some other stuff. Bladow. I'm still learning how to use the new mic. All right, we are graining out, man. We've got that lauter done. We've got all that wort into the kettle. So we went up to 18 barrels on this. Young Josh is over here graining out that mash tun. I'm going to go up top and give him a little assist with the rake. Sometimes people are like, hey, how come you're graining out by hand? Well, sometimes our rake can be a little bit fussy, you guys. You know, it's not easy. You want to hand me up the hose? Actually, you guys need to come down and get chaos. Nothing but chaos.
Like I like it.
What was the thing on Community when Britta would say bagel? I used to live in New York City. I'm pretty sure I know how to say bagel. That pump's dead, right? Yeah. Right behind, brother. Oh gosh. It is chaos. Trip and fall. #1 injury in the brewery. It is the darkest timeline. We're on a community kick now. I just need a goatee. All right, we'll give this angle. Let's see if we can we get young Josh in there? I don't know. There he is, kind of. Hey, buddy. Hey. Next time around, I'll bust that down for you. So yeah, my gearbox could probably use a little work. Sometimes it has a harder time just pushing through the whole thing. So we kind of drop it down in stages. It's no big deal. It makes it a little bit of a 2-person job, but you know, it usually syncs up pretty well with where I am at with the kettle. And I do like to keep an eye on the kettle as we're coming up to a boil. So yeah, what you gonna do? We'll do one more and then I think I can drop it, Josh. How should I drop it? Like it's hot? Oh, the steam. The steam dream. Go. Dude, it's so steamy. How's it looking down there, Josh? I wonder if you can see. It doesn't work. That doesn't do too much for you. All right, so Let's explain something about our boil as we come up to a boil. This beer runs a ton of supermajority Pilsner malt. And so what we end up doing is we do run a 90-minute boil. The reason we run that 90-minute boil is, to my knowledge, the precursor of DMS, or that cooked cabbage thing that you can get with some lighter kiln malts, is the precursor for DMS is SMM, and the half-life of SMM is 40 at boiling temperature is 45 minutes, and that is why we boil for 90 minutes, so we can eradicate as much of that SMM as possible. And can I just turn the water on now, Josh, you think? We're looking pretty good. We will just throw some water through the spray ball on this, kind of rinse it down. So just run some water through the spray balls here. That'll help rinse. It'll also knock some of the temperature out, knock some of the steam out, so it'll make it easier for us to get the rest of the grain out of here from a visual standpoint. Yeah, you're right there. I'm gonna kill it on this last one. All right, so super majority of stuff is out of the mash tun. You can see my boil coming up. You can see some break material forming on top. We are close to a rolling boil. We're gonna do that for 90 minutes again because we want to eliminate all of those DMS precursors. We want these beers to be as clean as possible. We want it to be all malt, from a sensory standpoint, all malt, a little bit of hop character and water profile. So that's why we're gonna get a good vigorous boil on this. That's about it. We've got a half hour now until our first hop strike, and we'll go from there, baby. Bye. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.